Hi Taurus, welcome to Omkara Tarot and your weekly You and Yours reading. This is for the time period of the 25th to the 31st of May. These are energy readings, Taurus, so don't get fixated on the dates. Time is fluid, which means these energies are around you. You could have just experienced this, are going through it, or will experience it in your immediate future. Also note these are general energies, may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. So let's begin. So these are you and yours readings, Taurus. That means you and the person who's affecting your life the most, or you're thinking about at the moment. So, dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please send us the message Taurus needs to hear the most at this present moment. So Taurus, like as usual with your weekly readings of you and yours, I'll be having two sets of cards, one for you and one for your other person. So please use your discernment to know which side you resonate most with. These are not primarily love readings. These are more, the other person could be a boss, friend, neighbor, anyone who's affecting your life. Though I will be, uploading purely love readings as well. So do subscribe and you'll be notified of them when they get uploaded. So for now, Taurus, let's open your cards. I have here the Emperor, Five of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, the Star, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Lovers. Okay? And person B, so this could be you or this could be you. So you'll have to see once we start reading the cards. Two of Pentacles, Four of Cups, 10 of Cups, Six of Cups, the Moon, and the Hermit. And for your mutual energies, I have here Eight of Cups, Seven of Cups in reverse, and the Knight of Cups in reverse. Bottom of the deck, I also have the Page of Swords in reverse, and under that I also have the Nine of Swords. Okay, something happening around your relationship, it seems. So let's see what the cards have to say. From what I see from your cards, Taurus, which are on the table right now, is like there is on person A's side. I'll be reading this as person A, person B, because you'll have to see which side you resonate more with. So person A here wants to have control over a matter which is maybe a relationship which cooled off. Something happened where there was some relationship difficulty, but one person here is really keen, to have a fresh start where something has kind of cooled off. One person felt they were left out in the cold, but they're still keeping an eye on them. There's a lot of spying going on, seeing where the other person is, what they're up to, but they're actually feeling a bit disappointed at the moment. Both, or maybe this party right now, person A, is still holding their feelings to themselves, or maybe they did. Okay, in the recent past, I have the Emperor here with the Four of Pentacles and the Ace of Pentacles, who wants a new beginning but is not showing all their cards right now. They're feeling a little left out in the cold, or trying to understand what they've done to leave the other person in the cold, where this maybe relationship or a happy family or a wife or a husband, they want this, but right now there is some problem, or they're not feeling as if two people are together anymore. Whatever movement there was is really, cooled off at the moment. But person A does see person B as their wish fulfillment. They would like this, Queen of Pentacles, as she's shown here. I have the Emperor and the Queen of Pentacles. So the Emperor is probably thinking of the Queen of Pentacles and thinking, oh, she actually is my wish fulfillment, but somehow not showing her, he thinks she's everything that he ever wanted. Okay, but something happened which led to a sort of temporary breakup, maybe, where one person felt left out on the cold. This is a very strong connection, though. That's how at least is how person A is feeling. That this was, match made in heaven. This was my wish fulfillment. And how can I take control again? What action can I take, to reach out to person B? Let's take one more card for the lovers. Why does person A feel this was a very strong, blessed union by the divine? The lovers is clarified by the lovers in reverse. So either this was a strong connection which went, because of whatever fight you people had, somebody made some decision or just dropped the relationship. There was so much stress happening here that one person, I think, just gave up on it, or maybe both did. At one time, this could have been a very, very fruitful and happy relationship. There was a lot of victory here. There was a lot of victory at one point. But right now, I feel one person has probably left, or people are feeling left out in the cold. Spirit, what is the star card? Please clarify the star card for person A. Please clarify. Yeah, things came to a head where, somebody had to make a decision about this relationship. It was good. There was happiness here, but something happened here where things cooled off, and I have the Emperor twice. Maybe somebody was very controlling in this situation. Person A probably is or felt that the other person was too controlling, even though there was, some kind of happiness here. There was a lot of they had a past with this person, definitely. There was a good past, happy memories and everything. But right now, even though all those dreams and thoughts and of the past are there, something is wrong here. Maybe there was a tower moment, some fight happened here. So let's see person 2, how are they doing? Now Taurus, this could be you or this could be you. Okay, so let's see if what person B is feeling. This is you or the cross watcher, like I said, and then we'll see your mutual energies here. So 2 of Pentacles. This person is going back and forth. Yes, I told you there was some kind of a power struggle, fight, and they're thinking about that. They're going back and they just keep going back and forth in their mind about this fight, what has happened or is happening at the moment, where one person feels that other person was egoistic, was playing mind games, and because of that, this relationship came to a total stagnant position. Look at this horse, not moving at all, right? So this person can't get over whatever fight or, maybe there was some harsh words exchanged, or somebody said something to somebody where one person felt a bit defeated and one person wanted to feel victorious at the cost of the other person's emotions here. This person is also feeling really depressed at the moment. This is person B I'm talking about now. Person B just keeps thinking about what happened, the fight that took place, and right now they are depressed. As much as, they were passionate about this relationship, at this present moment, they are not willing to, accept any offers coming towards them, whether it's from person A or any other offers either coming from anyone else. They just seem to be sitting in their thoughts, feeling depressed, feeling sad, thinking about, the happy times they did have with person A probably in the past, before this tower moment came. They were happy with the person A. Okay, there was a lot of emotional fulfillment, there was joy, everything was good. They have the 6 of Cups here as well. Person A also has the 6 of Cups of happy, sweet memories, of feeling like, you both were soulmates. But then what happened? A tower moment happened, which led to this fight, and now person B is just going back and forth. They just can't stop thinking about what's happened. Clarify the 6 of Cups for us, please. Spirit, what is the 6 of Cups? Ouch, too many cards. Let's take them. Okay, so 6 of Cups is clarified by the Chariot in reverse. Something came to a halt. Okay, all the sweetness, happiness, whatever wish fulfillment or emotional happiness which was between both of you just came to a standstill. Both felt that there was no moving ahead after this. Maybe at one time there was a lot of stability. There was, plans of being together forever, and suddenly because of this tower moment which happened, I have two more cards which flipped out here. Yes, there was so much love here. There was love here. There was, at one point, feeling of, perfect harmony between both of you. There was, yes, love. I have the Queen of Cups with the Ace of Cups. Person B had a lot of love invested in this relationship. But because of this tower moment, let's try and get a clarifier for this tower. What happened here? Spirit, can you please? One person left the dynamic. There was troubled waters, there was fighting, there was some kind of argument which took place, and one person decided, I can't deal with this anymore, and went their own way. In person B's position, I also have the moon, which is deep emotions. So, and this, before I asked, was clarified by the Ten of Wands. The Ten of Wands is when a person feels very, very overburdened. Can't see if there is, look at this person, can't see ahead of him because he's covered by the sticks and trying to struggle holding them and walking towards whatever little, homes or whatever there are in front of this person. But this person can't see it because it is feeling totally overburdened at the moment. And so that is what I think person B is feeling, that after whatever's happened here, the fight or disruption which has happened in the relationship, can't see any solution to going forward, now. This person is also in hermit mode right now. Like I said, Four of Cups, sitting under a tree and reminiscing, not thinking about, accepting any offers, whether it's from person A or anyone else, is totally isolated at the moment. Okay, is very defensive, is trying to protect themselves at the moment. But yet both, I think, are keeping an eye on each other as well. Stressed out, can't sleep at night, worrying all the time. Anything else, Spirit? Why is person B in hermit mode? Unbelievable. So I had the Page of Swords, I just told you, keeping an eye on each other, and I have it again. So both are trying to wonder about each other, maybe stalking each other on social media, seeing their Facebook pictures, trying to see what the other person's up to. So I don't think this is over yet, okay? This seems to be, you seem to be in the middle of both of you wondering whether this is going to come back or are we over for good. I don't think any of you really want it over, but both are very hurt about whatever fight that has happened between the two of you. So let's see in your mutual energies now. Let's see in your mutual energies, how do you feel towards this relationship, or what's going on this week for you people? In the mutual energies, I see the first card is the Eight of Cups. Eight of Cups is a card of people walking away, of not being emotionally satisfied in a situation. And this card flipped out, so I'm going to pick it up. Yes, see, the Two of Cups is in reverse. I just said that. Two of Cups upright is two people feeling emotionally happy and satisfied, but in reverse, it's the opposite. And that's what's leading to people walking away, leaving all the 8 cups of love that they had, and moving forward to find the remaining 2 cups, the 2 cups that they've lost here. Look at these 2 people holding 2 cups in their hand. These 2 cups represents emotional satisfaction. And because maybe both of you are feeling that there was emotional disruption in their happiness, they have to walk away from this relationship for the present moment. Spirit, can you please clarify the 7 of Cups, which is in the center of the spread? 7 of Cups is usually upright. It's a cup, it's a card of being confused. So both of you, I think, want to come out of this confused feeling, or it's also a card of having too many options, but it's in reverse. So I think both of you want to make up your mind about who you really want. and both have gone into isolation mode. So this week I see both of you taking time out, keeping your strength up, trying to recover and recuperate from whatever has happened, and trying to wonder that is it time to walk away. So this week, Taurus, I see you both cooling off a little bit, okay, and trying to go in your own separate corners and trying to figure out this relationship. Is there any growth or hope? I do see, a lot of emotional thinking of past happiness, both sides. But right now, at the present moment, I don't see any action being taken. Both seem to have. I also have the Knight of Cups in reverse, so that really shows that nobody is really bringing. Both of you are not offering love to each other this week. You are both in your own mind, your own thoughts. I have the Hermit again, bottom of my deck, which means, going within, trying to shine a light on your emotional selves to see how you feel about the relationship. You do feel tied to each other, okay? There is some kind of pull that you are feeling towards each other, or maybe you even feel that you're obsessed with each other, and maybe that's why these fights or tower moments happen, and are wondering whether it's worth it. So there's a lot of thinking happening this week, Taurus, for you. Anything else, Spirit? Can we have one more card for their mutual energy? Anything else for Taurus? For the mutual energy, please, Spirit, for Taurus? Yes, you both are trying to heal. Okay? This week, Taurus is only healing and healing. For both of you. It's in your mutual energy. You both are trying to regain your balance, and the angels are helping you find your own self-worth, your own, peace of mind within yourselves. And both are seeing, what you have done, taking stock of whatever's happened till now, looking at the investment you've made or not made regarding this relationship. So take time out, Taurus. Don't be in a rush. Both of you are in deep thought, which is a good thing in any relationship. It's always time to draw back for a little and see whether it's working for you or not. Before I, end this reading, I want to take a blessing card and see how the angels can help you deal with this week. In case you need a private reading, Taurus, you can always reach out to me at omkaratarot@gmail.com. And I hope you guys recover and everything is well by next week. Do subscribe and join me again next week so we can tap into your energy and see what's happening. And look out for the love readings. I think that may really help you here, because this seems to be a love reading for sure. But when I do the specific ones, we'll get more answers. Oh, Taurus. Spirit is giving you the advice to really, really nurture yourself. Take a step back. This is the time for you to rest. Okay? This week is not about action. This week is about healing your heart, your soul, and your mind, and take rest. Okay? Take a step back. Study the situation, okay? Study the situation as to what's happening, and then come to some kind of a informed decision about your love life. And see you next week, or see you for the next love readings which are uploaded. So take care, love and light.